Disaster losses are increasing in both developing and developed countries. To explore a better engagement of science and technology for reducing disaster risk and enhancing resilience, the Tokyo Conference on International Study for Disaster Risk Reduction and Resilience was organized at the University of Tokyo.
His Imperial Highness is coming in.
Our assessment of the present status.
Deriving from issues of population, land use, economy, governance.
The causes of our increasing exposure and vulnerability to more risk are partially, some say even mainly social.
Those risks that build up between expert and scientific fields and receive too little attention.
We need to consolidate disaster risk reduction and sustainable development.
Human factors aggravate negative consequences of natural hazards. In this interconnected world, an event's impact can lead to cascading consequences. Science has not been successful in demonstrating concrete methodologies. We identified the key direction.
The importance of creating national platforms.
More about innovation.
The role of interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary research.
Policymakers and practitioners should maintain the latest scientific knowledge and empower national platforms. We need to promote inter- and transdisciplinary approaches to increase resilience of households and communities. Our recommendations based on our findings.
We need the data and information.
$1 investment today, efforts in disaster risk reduction can save $100.
Natural science data is not fully converted to usable economic information for society.
Early warning system investments are absolutely key to risk mitigation.
Monitoring and review, data analysis.
Very catalytic, kind of a marketplace.
We need a common methodology on data collection and economic analysis, numerical pre-assessments of damage, and valuable best practices. We propose concrete initiatives.
Policy cycle around risk.
Enable them to better design and implement forecasting and early warning systems.
Space agencies support monitoring and understanding disaster risks on global scale and then local scales.
Operates at the interface between natural and social sciences, education, culture, and communication.
It must be remembered, and we must continually work on it because it's not a one-time activity.
Governments should empower national platforms. DRR needs better forecasting, visualization, and closer collaboration with Earth environment and observation, and human health. The world should encourage current and future initiatives.
Tokyo Statement is adopted. Thank you very much.
The conference also summarized Tokyo Action Agenda.
The increased use of Earth observation data and information.
Disaster-related statistics.
Satellite-based weather index.
Risk mapping of events. Capacity-building initiatives.
Evidence-based disaster risk reduction.
The synthesis, integration are the mandatory.
Of advice, communications, engagement,
co-design, co-production.
The Tokyo Statement and Tokyo Action Agenda are significant input for the 3rd UN World Conference on Disaster Risk Reduction in Sendai. The Tokyo Conference has confirmed the scientific and technological commitment to ensure the safety of each community and region and the sustainability of global society.